How to set up your device to send report or worksheet data to your third-party HL7 compatible applications. You need to log in as an admin IT user to make changes to your network settings. If you don't have an admin IT account, watch the tutorial on how to register a new admin IT user. Select admin IT category and then select your name from the list. Enter your password and tap Login button. Select DICOM server settings. Tap More button. To send report or worksheet to a third-party application that is compatible with HL7, turn the switch to On position. Enter the IP address for the server. Enter the port number for the server. Enter a unique name for your device such as Katiba. Enter the name of your receiving application. Enter the name of sending facility. Enter the name of receiving facility. Tap Save Settings. That's it. Now when you send your report or worksheet to your PACS, it will automatically be exported to your HL7 compatible server.